Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add beneficiary in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then go to Account Settings option. It will then take you to the account setting page. Once the account setting page has been loaded up, you can see beneficiary information or account inheritance section. Since I have a demo account, I do not have this feature. But if you have a real account, you can see beneficiary information or account inheritance section. From there, go to Add Beneficiary. This is how you can add beneficiary in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.